Unveiling the duty of care, the landmark Donoghue versus Stevenson case, and the neighbor principle. In the heart of tort law lies a principle so fundamental, it shapes the way we view legal obligations towards one another. This is the duty of care, a concept pivotal to understanding our responsibilities. The landmark case of Donoghue versus Stevenson brought this principle to light in a manner so compelling, it continues to influence law worldwide. It was more than just a dispute, it was a story that underscored the depth of our legal duties. Our journey begins with Mrs. Donoghue, who, on one unassuming evening, consumed a ginger beer, only to find a decomposed snail within. This incident was far from trivial, it marked the birth of a legal doctrine. The manufacturer, Mr. Stevenson, was unaware that his product had reached Mrs. Donoghue. Yet, this connection, or lack thereof, didn't absolve him of responsibility. It raised a crucial question: to whom do we owe a duty of care? Lord Atkin, one of the judges, introduced the neighbor principle, a concept that would redefine negligence. He proposed that we owe a duty of care to those who we can reasonably foresee being affected by our actions. This principle doesn't mean everyone is our neighbor in the literal sense. Rather, it's about recognizing when our actions, or inactions, could foreseeably cause harm to others, even if we don't know them personally. The ramifications of this case were profound. It established that manufacturers owe a duty of care to the ultimate consumers of their products, setting a precedent that resonates through tort law to this day. But the duty of care extends beyond consumer goods. It encompasses various scenarios where harm could be reasonably predicted, demanding a standard of care in professions, public spaces, and personal conduct. The Donoghue versus Stevenson case serves as a watershed moment, illustrating the weight of our actions and the invisible threads that connect us to our neighbors. It's a call to mindfulness and responsibility. In essence, the neighbor principle challenges us to ask, could my actions harm someone? If the answer is yes, we are under a legal and ethical obligation to prevent that harm, to extend our concern beyond our immediate circle. As we navigate our daily lives, the duty of care and the neighbor principle guide us, reminding us of the impact we can have on others. It's a testament to the interconnectedness of society and the law's role in safeguarding it. Reflecting on the duty of care and the neighbor principle, we find more than legal concepts. We discover a moral compass guiding us towards a more responsible and caring world, inspired by the lessons of Donoghue versus Stevenson.